Good morning, scholars. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. We're going to continue our work on lesson 19 with the oo sound, double O, and we are working today on page 130. I hope you had a wonderful weekend, long weekend, and enjoyed some family time. All right, let's look. This is our speech sound mapping that we had begun way last week, if you remember, right back here. We're going to continue making the speech sounds. We know how to do this. We have done this numerous times this year, so I do not expect this will be difficult for any of you to continue and work with. First, you're going to say the word. You're going to write the speech sounds here, and then over here on the end, we need to write the whole word to make sure we seeing, saying, hearing, and spelling the word correctly. So let's continue. Our first word for today is smooth. Everyone say that word. Smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 letters, but they're going to go into 4 spots. Remember, the gray boxes we do not fill in. So what's the first sound you hear? S, the S. So I'm going to put an S. What's the second sound you hear? Sm, a nasal. Made through our nasal passages, the sound of M. S, oo. O, double O. So they're going to share a box. Double O, and here we have an H brother digraph, so we know they go together. 2 letters, 1 sound, cannot be broken apart. Smooth. I'm going to go over here to the end and I'm going to write that word. Let's see it, say it, hear it, and write it. Ready, begin? S M O O T H. Smooth. Excellent. You're going to go through and you're going to finish with the last few words on your own. Remember, if you get stuck, stop, think really hard, review everything you know in your brain, and then ask for help if needed, always with a please. I'll do one more with you though as I look through it. Let's look at 12. Crooked. 2, 4, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Let's begin. First sound. K. Ah, the C. Kr, kr. I hear the R. Kr, oh, there's that double O. K. Long, strong K. Id. ED here is making the sound id. Crooked. Sometimes the ED makes the id sound, adds a whole syllable to the word. So I hear I, hear an I, D, and the D. Whoops, I don't want to spell it like an I. Silly. I want to spell it like an E. It's not a phonetic spelling. So crooked. K, k, id. Crooked. I'm going to spell it over here. Let's begin. C R O O K E D. Crooked. Nice job. Let's take a look at the bottom half of our page. 1 word plus 1 word equals a compound word. 2 words come together to make a bigger word. Stress is usually on the first word. We're going to use the pattern word, or the part of the pattern word, in bold. This is important. So if I look here, I see part of it is in bold, and I can look down and see that they've got bold in each one of our problems we need to solve. Use the pattern word, or the part of the pattern word in bold, plus, that's important, each of the other 2 words to make, 2, there's one of our heart words, 2 new compound words. 1, 2. So they give an example. Print, foot, and stool. We got to use the bold word with both of them. Print foot? No. Footprint? Yes. Footprint. Footstool. We wouldn't have print stool because remember we got to have this word in both of them. So footstool, that's a compound word also. Footstool, footprint. Nice. Now not always will this be at the beginning, but we'll see. Let's look at number 1. Spoon, table, tea. Spoon table? Never heard of that. Tablespoon? Ah, yes. For those people who like to cook and bake, you've heard of a tablespoon before. So I'm going to write the new compound word right here. I'm going to look closely over here to see how to spell those words. Tablespoon. You ready? Let's begin. T-A-B-L-E-S-P-O-O-N. Tablespoon. Okay, remember I've got to use spoon again. Spoon tea? No. Teaspoon? Yes. Again, if you cook or bake, you've heard of a teaspoon. So we're going to write T right here. Teaspoon. Ready, begin. T-E-A-S-P-O-O-N. Teaspoon. Excellent. Let's do one more just to make sure that we understand what we have to do. Each of the bold words is used in both of the words. Second one, fire, read, proof. I know it's not fire, read because I didn't use this word, so I've got to use this in my compound word. Fireproof. Oh, I think I've heard of that. He has a fireproof safe. Fireproof, or firemen wear fireproof clothing. Fireproof. Let's write it. You ready? Begin. F-I-R-E-P-R-O-O-F. Make sure when you're spelling your compound word that you put the words together. They come together. No space between these words. It's now a new word. Fireproof. The next one, we got to use proof. Read proof. No. We've been using this word anyway. It's right up here. Proofread. 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 When I ask you to double check your work, I'm asking you to proofread your work. Read over it again to make sure that it's correct. Proofread. You ready? Let's write it. P-R-O-O-F-R-E-A-D. Proofread. And you're going to continue and finish those today. I know you can do it. Remember, if you need help, ask politely. Older brother and sister, parent, or an adult in your house. All right, until I talk to you next time, go out and do great things.